MTD CNC today are in Colville. We're at Matsuura, UK, their headquarters, and with Dominic Seminario, got a real opportunity for you today that we're going to talk about. But firstly, Dom, here in your tremendous showroom, I have to say, lots going on in the background. Been a good year this year.
Absolutely. Again, it's been another good year. You know, you were here obviously during our open house back in May. The machines have come in, they've gone out. We've got obviously new stock that's come in, and we're building up obviously for another open house later on this year.
Okay, so what is this opportunity that we want to tell our audience about today?
So what we've decided to do is come up with a new type of deal, which is buy now, pay later. So we've got obviously a lot of different variety of stock, from verticals, horizontals, 5-axis, either single table, multi-pallet, and also our horizontal lineup. We're bringing in a lot of multi-pallet horizontal machine tools, and we want to let the market know that on some of these machines, which are again large multi-pallet machines and 5-axis, that buy something off us today, and we can talk about when you pay us.
But you're carrying a lot of inventory now, which has changed a lot in recent years because business has been so good, isn't it? Which means you have to be, things are a bit more adaptable, a bit more fluid.
Absolutely. Obviously, with the success of the business global for Matsuura, with the MX330, the machine behind us, in particular, you know, Matsuura is a lot busier. So our foresight and speculation on inventory to buy for stock in the UK has gone up. So obviously we've got a lot more machines now coming on. Our business has grown. You know, with the new machines, you know, we've discussed it over the last couple of years that it was going to create new business for us. This has, and therefore our stock levels have grown to accommodate that new business growth.
And part of the reason for the buy now, pay later then, what I'm hearing here is that commercially, as the business has changed, you obviously need to be able to adapt to engineers' needs. And these days, they want machines quite quickly, don't they? And you don't want to lose business as a result of not having a machine.
There's a lot with customers where they need machines instantly. And what we can offer now, obviously now that we are more successful from a point of view of our own cash reserves, is that we can offer a machine to be delivered, get the customer to start using that machine, making money before they actually start repaying for that machine. So we'd like to help those customers that are thinking of going multi-pallet 5-axis route with Matsuura to try and entice that engagement. You know, give us the opportunity to actually help you financially as well as technically and lights out machining.
Matsuuras are very affordable though, generally, even without the buy now, pay later, aren't they? When you look at some of the technology you've got and what it can deliver. Absolutely.
I've always said in a lot of the promotions that we've done with yourself is that the return on investment, when you get the machine running unmanned, you know, it soon covers the cost per month on the HP. What we're saying is, well, let's help you a little bit more by deferring that period by a few months to actually really get the investment making money, so that it entices maybe the potential customer that isn't considering Matsuura to come and talk to us. So we're doing very well with new customer opportunities. We just want to open up that spectrum.
About 35% up in the last 4 years on sales. What do you put that down to? Because that's a tremendous number.
There's lots of factors. I think the industry's been busy, so obviously we're all taking a bigger slice of the cake. But the thing is that if I look at, you know, Roger and I analyse it a lot, the amount of new customers that have come to Matsuura because of the MX330, the MX520 multi-pallet solutions, and obviously we're going to talk about the MX850 pallet solution, which is now a new machine that's just come out. But when we look at growth on MAM 7235V, 63V growth sales as well, because of the enticement of the MX330, people have come in looking for that machine and then actually bought the MAM. So, you know, it's been a success story for us, and that's happening all around the world for Matsuura in general.
And with having more inventory, that would be as a result of you now having more customers to satisfy, existing customers to satisfy that want more machines, but also the new market opportunities as well. So quite a sensible decision to bring more in.
Well, absolutely, because at the end of the day, you've got to look after your customers. Your customers feed you first. So if a customer needs a machine, they don't want to wait 5-6 months, which is a typical lead time for some of our stock. We constantly buy inventory, which means that we've got machines on a very short lead time. Could be stock, 1 month, 2 months, no more than normally 3 months from when you're looking, unless it's something specific. But our popular general lines, which, you know, the ones we talk about all the time, you're not looking at a long lead time, because we as in Matsuura UK, buy the stock.
So as a summary then, Dom, are we saying that an engineer can purchase a Matsuura machine, have it hit the deck in their machine shop, be making components and making money before they've really had to pay for it.
Absolutely, that's exactly what we're saying. So what we're saying is if you want a vertical, horizontal, 5-axis, any machine that we've currently got in stock or coming into stock, for a short limited period of time, we're going to run this promotion, buy now, pay later. What that means is that you can give us a very small deposit, have the machine delivered for a course of a few months, and we can negotiate that month period. You don't have to have the finance pay me, but once you then pay for the machine's in, making money for a number of months, you can get it up and running, debug your processes, producing 24 hours, 7 days a week, lights out running, if you're that capable, make the money, then start paying us.
So you can pretty much, to coin your phrase, touch and taste Matsuura, maybe without having to fully pay for it straight away.
We're not paying for it straight away. Ultimately, you've got to pay for it in the end, but we can help those companies that are considering coming to Matsuura buy Matsuura.